It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, it's Miss Janita back again with another video, and today I'm sharing with you a harvest that I got from my balcony garden, picked from my balcony garden, cut and picked. I got a nice size medium bell pepper. It's nice and clean. No bruises, nothing, no damage. Just a beautiful bell pepper. I love it. And I picked a pepper. I don't think no bruises on here, but I picked it early. But oh, it is a blemish on it. It's a blemish. But what I'm going to do is put this in my capsule with the thyme. I cut some thyme, a few leaves of the bay leaves. I got some thyme right there. And I have some oregano right there. This, the bigger leaves is the oregano. The smaller leaves is the thyme. And I got some chives, which I'm going to just put in my infusion cap because I'm cooking some chicken and gravy, dressing, some cabbage or greens from the can, and my candy yams for Sunday dinner. But I just want to share this small harvested haul from my balcony garden. I love it. We're going into fall, so I don't know what's to come. I'm just going to be doing garden maintenance on my balcony garden. I don't know what I'm planning or what I'm having. I'm just caring for the things that I have out there on the balcony. And each year I'm learning something different about plant care, plant life, so I can incorporate that into my skills for the following year. And I'm happy to be sharing this with you. Oh, and guys, remember, I have glitches on my channel. Well, I shouldn't even say glitches. It's beyond glitches. It is so bad that my comments, you can't even see them on some of my on my channels. Some subscribers cannot see my comments, and this is not a good thing because you won't think I'm supporting you, and therefore that creates a disaster for me because you're thinking that I'm not supporting you, so you won't come to my channel. Okay, I am sorry about that, but it's not me doing it, so I don't have anything to do with what's going on this platform and all the bugs and the defects that can sabotage a person's channel terribly, which is what's going on in my YouTube life right now. Sorry for the inconvenience. All I can do is apologize for the inconvenience, but it's no fault of my own. So I guess if you want to keep watching my videos, thank you. If not, it's okay. I understand because I see what's happening here. But happy gardening. Have a great day. And thanks for watching. And for the ones that continue to support, thank you always. Bye. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.